We finally live on Spellbreakers. I'm super excited.
When you review your history, how often do you think about how you would like to change your legacy? Our ancestral wounds can be healed now, and you can free your bloodline now. Working with the Bloodline Breaker and the generational blessings will assist you, your ancestors, and your children for years to come.
Activation in the... There we go. There we go. I know y'all think love is supposed to be red, but don't be listening to some of these folks on Tickety Talk. Okay, that's that one. She said. So whoever ordered this is on the way.
There's the affirmations on the back.
There's the affirmations, and there is our seal.
So when we gave you all instructions on what to write on your paper bags, it's this information. You can include a portion of this and then everything else that you want in alignment with what's being said here. Right. And that's what you want to write down as far as your intentions.
Right. Those of you who feel so weird talking about this kind of stuff, I ain't done this in years.
No.
So those of you that is interested, this is for people that has got out of a relationship, or you're trying to get someone out of your energy that you are no longer with. You want them completely out your energy field because you're trying to move on. You're trying to move on, and you're clearing your energy out so someone else, the correct person, needs to come in. Under this breaker, the person that you're trying to get out of the relationship with, or you're already out of the relationship with them, you can't put that person's name under this breaker. But you cannot put a person's name with these sets that you're trying to connect with. That's something different. With the love activation, if you want an attraction, you can get it. You can do a 3, which we call a Trinity fold, or whatever you decide you want. It's a Trinity fold. If you're out of the relationship, that's the breaker. Okay, that's the breaker. And turn and let them see the back. So that sigil there, it means so many things. I don't even want to go off into what all it means, but there it goes, okay? It means a lot of different things, and the reason why it's on the back of every flame tech that you get.
It's for self. It's opening up the love, as they say, road, channel, stream for yourself. So don't go adding anyone's name on here.
Yeah, don't add nobody's name on there.
Okay, but this is activating the stream within yourself. You know, all of this is working with your flame. So the breaker is clearing out the fog, clearing out the distortion around that category.
Right.
And so when you're working with your love activation, this is for self. So while this is burning, things that will be good will be, wearing the colors, working with color technology while you're working with the flame. Eating things, sweetening up your life, things like that, while you're working with that.
That's excellent. The actual flame it means something. So we're going to be getting into all of those things on Spellbreakers account. So if you want a Trinity, then you need to say you want a Trinity, because there's another addition that goes with that, and we'll just add it to it. We don't advertise it because it's extra work. But if you need to remove, right? Reactivate you, and if you're trying to attract. So we will have to do that for the people that's trying to find love. The love activation is not for attract. Attract is something different. So I'm driving and still listening.
The other
Okay.
thing that may come up is when you're doing any kind of breaking of anything, more of it might present itself so it can work its way out of your field. So you can be like, I lit the tech, and now the ex is calling me even more. It's because they feel the energy, or because it's not just romantic also, but anyone you have love for, but we'll stick with romantic. You might have more of that coming, or the energy might get agitated, is because you're kicking it out of your energy field. So don't allow yourself to be looped back in. Don't argue with them, things like that. Know the process. Anything in any category that you're breaking, the agitation will naturally be kicked up because you're working it out of your field.
Right. Does that go for the poverty? As no, it doesn't. So with the poverty, this is right here. This is if you're asking about the abundance and attraction, that is for that, if that's what you're asking. So the money poverty breaker is, and remember, every count is also ancestral. It goes very deep. It's not just here on earth. It's not just for now. It goes ancestral. So this is for anybody that's been dealing with ancestral poverty. This is what you want to get, okay? And this is what all it covers. This flame technology breaks generational lack, money curses. You want rise spells and poverty. Any poverty programming that works with your mindset, family. Abundance and frequency. It resets your abundance and frequencies in your energy field. And this is going to help you tap into your divine energy and abundance for you to create prosperity, okay? So anything that you have going on that's ancestral, generational, right? This is a breaker. I know you guys are used to seeing all black, but you got to trust the process, okay? And right here, once again, we have the sigil here. You got to trust the process. When I tell you trust the process, because I saw somebody on here, they was giving out the colors that they use, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna say everybody is right. We all right. But there are some things I know about frequency that most people are not privy to. This is why this candle is brown, okay? When we're talking about finances, we're not just talking about earthly money, okay? That's why this candle is not green. That's why this activation candle is not green, okay? We're talking about ancestral. We're talking about the work that you're getting ready to do is ancestral. It's generational. This is the activation. So you're not just activating for you. You're going to be activating for your entire bloodline as well, okay? This is about money stream. So when you see green candles, people automatically assume that it's money because they relate money to a dollar bill. And it's not about a dollar bill. Yeah, this is flame tech. This is not about a dollar bill. Money is only for here. When you go to in other realms, other astral realms, there is no such thing as money. It's only currency flow. There's only currency streams. So this is why when we start developing Spellbreakers, we wanted to be sure that you guys saw something different, because it is different with how we operate. This flame technology activates abundance from the inside, where the Spellbreaker removes blocks. This technology reinstalls your divine inheritance. It restores your wealth timeline. So in the astral realm, The reason why I didn't name anything open roads is because in the astral realm, there is no roads. Very strategic about this, okay? Very strategic about this. And right here, it rewrites your scarcity patterns and unlocks the streams of overflow assigned to your life. Perfect for manifestation, free abundance. And this is your remembrance-based prosperity. And again, you got that sigil on there. So when you receive this, this is for past ancestral things that were locked. So say if you was owed money, that's considered a stream that was not paid to you, right? This is going to unlock that. This is going to unlock all your money streams. So when we're talking about abundance activation, it's not just for right now. It's not just for right now. Because all the work that, and I'm a stickler about that, because you want everything unlocked, ancestralized when it comes to your abundance, because you don't know what's in store for you. You don't know what has been stored up for you. Okay? So that's why I'm saying all of this, it's a frequency. It's flame tech. You don't know what's in store for you. So when we go to unlocking on an ancestral level, you don't know, you could have property out there somewhere that has been trying to reach you and you don't know it. And you're burning the open road. That's only for here. Because there's roads here. And in the astral realm, there is no roads. There's only gates. There's timelines, but there's gates. So we're opening up the floodgates. Okay, family? So this is what we're doing.